Okay, waxaa haysataa canab.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video in my channel with another day with my team. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my team. Okay. I have one game today with my team. I have some fruits and vegetable. So I ask, I have fruit or vegetable? You guess. Okay. The normal fruit and normal vegetable we use every day.
qof walba waxaan weydiin doonaa ay tiri qudaarta iyo fruitska maalin walba anaga aan isticmaalno inuu qiyaaso qofkii sheegay waa bashay qofkan sheegina waa sida caadiga ah ma qiyaasin yani just qiyaas waaye waxa bilaabay iman
Okay. Iman, this time one fruit I have. Which?
Af Soomaali dinku shaadna ma fahmaysid dhawaata jirta kaas waa.
English
Okay, waxaa haysataa canab. It's grape. Grape.
Maya.
My legs.
Apple.
Maya.
Carrot.
Fruit. It's not
Fruit,
vegetable. Yes.
Okay, orange.
Not.
Watermelon.
No.
guava
No.
I think banana and no banana.
No. Yes, Imran.
Lemon.
No. It's not fruit.
Lemon juice, sister.
Lemon juice, not fruit.
Okay.
Give me back. Ah, it's lychee.
What lychee?
Strawberry.
Lychee waa anta Malaysia.
It's vegetable.
Vegetable, right? Khajar.
Huh? Khajara, what is khajara?
Khajar le unkisa walaale yani.
No.
Cucumber kula kanda coconut. Khajar madina.
Okay, اشيكو صاوي عقاركا.
خضار.
Okay. And onion.
Maya.
How do I say kalamashi?
basasha haya baalkii maxaa broccoli.
No.
Broccoli.
No. Easy.
Carrot.
Not.
okay salad
No. You can, but I said too easy.
Potato.
Yes! Potato, 1 point.
Potato.
Always.
Vegetable potato. Potato. Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Yes.
Potato.
Already. Yeah, potato she already said.
Onion.
No.
With this?
We use this for vegetable also, for fruit also. Both we use.
Tomato.
Yes!
Thank you.
One. Okay, girls, 1. Iman, fruit.
What fruit?
All country fruit.
Fruit
Okay.
is right.
I give you the good like hint. Okay. All country fruit.
All country fruit.
Yes.
Fruit or
Fruit.
Fruits. Apple.
Iman.
All fruits apple.
Fruits, huh?
All fruits. Blackberry.
This just for international countries.
Grapes.
Why you just say grapes? No grapes.
I think mango.
Yes.
Mango.
Mango. Okay. Fruit. Very famous fruit. All country have this also.
fruits
Yes. You can.
banana
No.
Ananas.
No, pear not. Pineapple not.
Pineapple.
It's not pineapple, it's apple.
Apple.
So I now give him point. Very easy. The vegetable Somalian use too much.
khudaarta ay Soomaalidu isticmaasho way tiri marka waxa weeyaan waa salad.
Vegetable. Somalian use too much. Okay, finish. Enjoy again, inshallah.
Banana.
Vegetable. Give.
khudaarta iyo fruitska isku
Think. Somalian use too much that vegetable. Everything you add.
Okay.
garlic
aniga niyada ku hay xabada
Maba ahan bo Ilaahay ka badbaadiyo.
No.
I think chili vegetable yes
Vegetable, but not. It's not. We call chili. Chili is like small.
no the green one
No.
Is she right? I think so. She don't know English.
okay yeah she don't English but
But can
maya the way saxda oo sheegno inta ay ka qasin the one is chili the green
Green one. Chili.
it's small.
Spicy.
no
The spicy.
spicy
It's not spicy. It's vegetable. It's not spicy. It's,
Hey, okay. She right?
no.
Salad.
We also use in salad.
Pepper. It's best one.
You people.
Pepper.
Yes.
أنا بديت أشيء.
It's best pepper. It's best. Yes.
1 point.
Yes.
2 point. 1 point. Yes. So vegetable. Somalian also add in pasta, rice like this.
Okay.
Maastada bariiska ku dara.
وأنا خضار بس.
Oo bastida bariiska ku darsano.
Yes, you are. Even I eat with you.
Okay, ani aan xabibti.
Habibti, go back. Habibti, go back. Give. I.
خلفه.
But
kariya kan oo kabsada waana barbarooniga jaalaha.
Somalia English.
U sheegay.
Okay, the yellow pepper.
no. No.
That one is, I guess, is curry.
Carrot, no.
Curry.
Carry, but carry.
Super curry. Yellow curry.
No yellow.
wajielo ay kuwaas
Not
aniga
yellow.
waa ifrah
Ado ku siinoyaa bo. Yellow curry ma lagu.
Even Amina, I eat food with you people, so
oh I think black pepper
not.
Ana hadda ka say.
You can
fruits
vegetable and we eat in. I eat with you. You add pasta, rice like this. I give. It's also have every country, and some people use it long side, or some people cut.
oh
Easy, very easy. I give big hint.
Bani maraq
but
dara like bariis ma
but I don't know his name. It's like khajar.
Qajar ma bariis.
Which color? Can you tell me color?
It's a green color
Yes,
and long one.
yes. Lady finger.
Shami xabibti.
Waa kaasa.
Allah.
bariis ma dara iyagu ku daraan soo baamiye
Lady finger. This one.
Bamio.
Fruit. And you people eat too much. No. People enjoy.
Okay.
Musa, Amina and Difra eats before some days.
We are not eat meat.
This fruit you have this fruit ahmar. And ahmar waxa lagu dhahaa af Carabi guduud. Red, right? Red color. But white and yeah, no name. I don't have name. Yeah.
I said that. Why?
Okay. Imran, vegetable. Green color vegetable. No.
Yeah,
Vegetable. Salad also we use.
this yeah, but same color, green, but the same the salad.
Okay, tell the name.
But name I don't understand.
She's right.
kiwi no
Kiwi?
and ansalato waxaa lahaa
Tell him.
Bagalka isha.
begelka ma aha baashan xun waaye ansalaatada ma rabo kabishka
cabbage
Yes, right.
What that? Fruits or vegetables?
Fruit, big one.
Watermelon.
Yes!
والله لا توصي والله لا توصي لا
Okay, vegetable. Vegetable.
Somalis?
Many, very. All country use.
banana ya banana sida di banana
Vegetable.
Yes.
I think onion.
No.
Not apple.
A vegetable.
Yes.
It's green.
I think green area.
It's green color also. No.
It's green color.
This time I don't have green color.
Yes.
But it's have many colors. Listen. This green color also have, red color also have. Easy, Musa, easy.
Green, right?
No, it's green also, red also. Easy, Musa.
Okay. Green and also red, right?
Yes.
Lychee.
50 and I know because I am nasib. Yeah, I am nasib. I am lucky. And jelly, red jelly. I have 3 points.
Okay, I have last one, fruit.
Okay.
It's fruit. It's in green color. And it's in small size.
Okay.
Even before you people say.
Okay. Green fruits.
English كيف بدي بخمنا بالمعادلة
Sometimes red, sometimes
Yeah, sometimes red, sometimes green, sometimes even yellow. Light yellow color.
okay. Apple.
Yeah, apple, but this not call apple. This call something other. You can say. You can say. Because many people say to this fruit apple. Yes.
Guava, why guava? Apple?
No, it's pear. It's
No, wait. It's not apple.
no.
أبلا الله أبلا
Okay. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye bye.